What's up guys, I'm back again with another new video. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. If you are new to this channel, my name is Nazi. Today I am in a village called Akwa in Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria. Today I want to show you how to make dry gin here in Nigeria. I want you to keep watching as I bring the video to you.
We are talking about illicit gins, how it is being prepared so as enable to enjoy our own product, but not of the overseas product, like beer, whom the overseas were deceiving us for them. Then they perish our own productions, which is ogogoro or fofop. As we are talking, this palm wine, you will plant the seed first. After planting the seeds, there are some seeds you plant, it will grow for 5 years before you prune it. Some will stand for 7 years before you prune it. How do you prune it? When it is ripe enough. Then through the observation, you know that it is highly ripe. Then you climb up and prune it. Started to tap. When you tap, if it is in raining season, though it will give you enough products, it will not be all that so tastable. In the dry season, where there is no enough water on the ground, that is where we enjoy this palm wine, even in tasting and otherwise. Added to that, um, this palm wine, when you tap it, you take it home. Probably you have a container to store it, preparing for illicit. Now, at the end of it, when it is due to being boiled, then you will boil it. If you have a center to boil it, like my very self, I have a center for boiling it, which is in my house. Then I have you buy a drum and buy pipe, steel pipe, not a vulcanizing pipe. It is steel pipe you use in boiling this ogogoro, or we call it ofofop in our own dialect. Now, you will after you might have buy the drum, you open the drum sizings to the pipe. After sizing, then you fix the drum inside. Then when fixing the drum, the next thing you will do is for you to empty or to put in the palmy inside it. When you put in the palmy, you will cock it. Why you cock it is that so that there will be no leakage when boiling. That is, I'm talking about literature. Sorry, I'm talking about integrated science stroke chemistry. That is chemical balancing we have for it for now. And of course, then you will set fire. When setting fire, now the fire will keep on burning the drum. Then it will start to vibrate. After vibrating, it will boil. Then when boiling, the drink will start to drop gentle, gentle, gentle. Now going to an end. When the fire is so strong enough, it will drop very fast. Dropping very fast, you have a container. Now the container, the number of the jerrycan we put on the drum for boiling is 625 liter. 625 liter we drops in before we cook for boiling. Now, after, we will only take one rubber out of it when dropping. We will only have just one rubber. The rest will be watering, where we will empty it as waste product. Now, this waste product, see, it really what we want to talk about Liska is not an easy thing to be prepared. It is being prepared as equally as crude oil, refinery aspects of it. Now, we have cooler system. Without cooler system, this drink can never drop, because when it boils from the drum, it will come like vapor. When entering the pipe, now it will turn to liquid. So that's what, and that is how we are preparing illicit gins in our EBBO area.
Okay. So to prepare one rubber of that thing, like you said,
Yes.
how long does it take to cook, to boil?
Well, of course, depending on the side of the fire, if you have enough better firewood, let's approximately estimate to be about from 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock, approximately.
Okay. Okay. 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock.
Yes, to 2 o'clock.
Oh, okay. That's about 6 hours.
6 hours or 7.
That's 7 hours.
Depending on the type of firewood that you're fixing.
Oh, okay. Okay. So can we go now and see how it's done?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then we'll have to go to the bush and get the palm wine. I want you to keep watching and see how the dry gin is being made here in Nigeria.
Cook it. This is where you fix in funnel, where you empty the palm inside. Now, after that, you will cook here. Also cook here, so that the air may not leak out. After finishing boiling, you will open here for the waste product to go out for another new preparations. Now we have here, this is the pipe that it will run.
Okay.
This is the pipe, and this is the cooler system.
Okay.
This is the cooler system. This cooler system is very important. When it boils, it will come like vapor. Enter into the pipe. This is where it will turn after entering the pipe through vapor. Not the permit that will enter the pipe, the boiling permit. It is the vapor that will pass through the pipe. When coming here, the cooler system here will cool it for it to drop here. Well, let it come with the rubber. No, it's funny. It will pass from here, then it will drop here. This is where it will drop.
So the one that drops here
Yeah,
now is the
gin.
Okay.
Though, and of course, this is the first preparation.
The first preparation.
Okay.
Later on, we will define it once again for which will be good for human consumption.
Okay.
This will not be good for human consumption. The first part of it will not be good for human consumption.
Okay.
It is the second. After you boil it, you would once again turn it into the drum for better refinery.
Okay. So how many times would you turn it before it will be good for human consumption?
Only 2.
2 times.
Yes.
Okay.
You boil 6 times, 625 liter first time. Later, you turn the 625 liter into the same drum, which you boil, which will drop, and which will be good for human consumption.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. I understand the explanation. This right here is where the boiling starts.
Yes, of
so
course.
This is where the palmy goes in.
Yes.
That's the palm wine.
Yes.
And then through this place.
Yes, you cook
this
so
place.
they may not leak the air.
Yes. Okay. And then it will go as vapor.
Yes.
To the cooling system.
Yes.
This place. And as you can see, you will notice that the cooling system goes through that water. And this is where the final product drops in.
Yes.
And the final product, you are going to refine it again to come out as the gin. So the first one is not good for human
consumption. Yes.
And you need to do the same process again.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but all those things we are going to see it within few minutes. So let's just go into it.
Okay. Waste product, so as to enable you to feel the new one, which I've just opened it for the observation.
Okay.
Most is not tuned. Okay.
So the waste product is going out now.
Yes, the waste product is going out. That is the waste product going out. Take care, water may not stain your cloth.
Okay. Okay. So this right here.
Yes.
Is the palmy.
Is a palmy.
Okay.
Yes.
So what you do is you get more and more palmy and you reserve.
Yes, of course. Not one day.
Okay.
We reserve it each day till it mature to the boiling.
Okay.
Yes.
How many days does it take to mature?
Well, depending on the stance of the palm wine we tap.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. On average, how many liters of kai kai can you make in a day?
Well, let's assume that let's not talk about a day.
Okay.
Because I don't boil in a day.
Okay.
I don't boil in a day.
Okay.
Because of this is a very low center for it.
Okay.
It might take me say about 2 weeks or 3 weeks before I finish the productions.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you not going to school? Not yesterday.
Wait. What are you doing now?
I'm cooking the drum now so that I can boil the drink
Okay. This cooking, what does it do?
to take the
Vapor.
may not come out.
Okay. Okay.
I'm a journalist. Finish. Try you.
Odogwu wanda ọkụrụ agba.
Jansen, the under on Kana.
I can't see him every day, mega.
Come on, tell
Sorry.
me.
Sorry.
Oh, wow.
Ya David. Ọdọ nwetanya m ebe ọga.
I will find me something more explain this.
Nna
Come, I will give you something.
I'm going to sit down here. I want you to go look or you to go.
Sorry.
Something like
Say sorry.
no problem. No problem. That's what we do for a living.
Cook on the young. Go on. Yeah, take it.
Do you want to give for cash for even the person?
Man, I get a million fancy. Nah, no, come. I got
Okay.
ndị township na-aga n'ime village a na-eme ihe a n'ọnụ mmiri mostly like ndị na-eche na Rivers State na ha na-aga n'ọnụ mmiri ebe ndị a na-awa nkụ.
So everything is done now just to be putting it firewood and be adding fire.
When the thing boil fine, the vapor will come out from the pipe.
For now, you will be putting firewood now,
Yes.
so that it will be catching fire.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Now, after this, we will have final write-up. This is from Pami.
Okay.
We are boiling.
Yes.
Now, then this is what we produce from the Pami.
Okay.
When we get 6 of these, we turn it back into the drum for final touch, which will give us original Ogogoro.
Okay.
This is how the dry gin is being made here in Nigeria. If you do enjoy this video, I want you to give the video a like, and if you want to watch more travel videos like this one, kindly hit the red subscribe button so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified that Nazi has uploaded a new video. Thank you so much for always watching this video with me. See you in my next one. Bye for now.